So hello students, welcome to this video, and from this video we are going to start MCQ series of the CBSE class 10th geography, and today we are starting the first chapter or the series of the first chapter, that is resources and development. So without wasting our time, let's get started. So question number 1, blanks are gifts of nature which satisfy human wants. Options are, first option things, second option commodities, third option resources, and fourth option none of these. So students, which option is the correct? So here option number 3, that is resources are gifts of the nature which satisfy human wants. Okay, now question number, what are the main factors that determine the creation of resources? First option flora and fauna, second option nature, human being and technology, third option plants, animals and human beings, fourth option atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere. So students, which are the main factors that determine the creation of the resources? Can you guess the answer, students? Here your answer is option number 2, that is nature, human beings and technology. Now students, we are moving to the question number 3. On the basis of origin, resources are classified as, first option renewable and non-renewable, second option national and international, third option biotic and abiotic, and fourth option all of the above. So on the basis of origin of resources or origin, resources are classified as, that is option number 3, biotic and abiotic. Now students, question number 4, resources are broadly classified on the following basis of, first option origin, exhaustibility, ownership and the status of development, second option texture, color and usefulness, third option individual, national and international, and fourth option all the above. So students, resources are broadly classified on the basis of the origin, exhaustibility, ownership and the status of the development. Okay, now question number 5, wind and water resources are, first option national resources, second option non-renewable resources, third option human made resources, or fourth option renewable resources. So students, wind and water resources are renewable resources. Okay, option number 4 is the correct option. Now question number 6, students, on the basis of status of development, resources are further classified. So students, on the basis of status of development, resources are further classified. First option potential, developed, stock and renewable, second option renewable, non-renewable, stock and potential, third option potential, developed, stock and reserves, fourth option developed, stock, biotic and abiotic. So students, which option is the correct option? Your option is option number 3, that is on the basis of status of development, resources are classified as potential, developed, stock and reserves. Now question number 7, which are keywords for resources? First option usefulness, availability and transformation, second option economic, usefulness and renewable, third option technologically accessible, economically feasible and culturally acceptable, and fourth option all the above. So students, which are the keywords for the resources? That is option number 3, technologically accessible, economically feasible and culturally acceptable. Now students, question number 8, the process of transformation of things available in our environment involves interactive relationship between, first option earth resources and technology, second option natural science and technology, nature science and technology, third option nature, technology and institution, and fourth option none of above. Okay, none of the above. So here Correct option is, students, option number 3, that is nature, technology and institution. Now students, question number 9. These are obtained from biosphere and have life such as human beings, flora and fauna, fisheries, livestock, etc. Okay. So here first option biotic resources, second option abiotic resources, third option renewable resources and fourth option natural resources. So students, here biotic resources are obtained from the biosphere and have life such as human beings, flora and fauna, fisheries and livestock, etc. Okay. Now next question, question number 10, and this will be the last question from the video. Okay. And your question is, all these things which are composed of non-living things are called. First option non-living resources, second option non-renewable resources, third option biotic resources and fourth option abiotic resources. So students, all those things which are composed of non-living things are called. Which option is the correct? So this question is for you, students. You have to comment below the correct answer, okay, or correct option in the comment section. Let me see whether you will be able to give the answer or not. Okay. So students, in this video, this much only. We will meet in another part, that is second part. Till then, take care.